All right, here we are. This job is done. Pete, what do you think of your new Tiki Bar?
It's excellent.
Excellent. That's what I like to hear. What town is this?
Millstone.
Millstone. We're in Millstone. Got here at about 9 o'clock this morning. It's about, what, 3 now?
Yeah.
6-hour install. Not too bad. Everybody did good. Let's go see what we did over here. More importantly, let's see who built it. Let's see. Who's that guy right there? Tiki Kev. All right, well, let's see what we have. We have a 10 by 10 roof on a 6 by 8 bar. We have a refrigerator, ice bin, ceiling fan, 52 inch, and that's an 18 by 12 ice bin. And Pete, what size is that TV I just put in? 42 inch TV. Looks good up there. So that will be it for here. Oh, and we got rope lighting. You can see the rope lighting down there. Cabinets. There's a switch for the ceiling, so you could kill all the power in the ceiling when you leave the bar. Nice pool here. All right, well, we are finished here in Millstone, heading back to the Tiki camp. And Thursday we will be in Monmouth, New Jersey, if I said that properly, to deliver an 8 by 8 Tiki Bar with a 10 by 10 roof. So, anybody interested, you know how to get a hold of me. 1-800-792-TIKI. Or email me, tikikev at tikikev.com. All right, well, Millstone, New Jersey. For Tiki Kev and crew. Tiki Kev out.